Hi friends, this goes out to those who want to be prepared, really don't know where to start, but want to start somewhere. Start with something small if you don't have much money. Make sure you have yourself a little power source. Make sure you have communication. Get yourself some weapons and some food that you can store. You can charge this by the sun, with your wall, from the grid, or wind. You could even do it with water power. UV5R, great little radio. You got to make sure you have various antennas. You can have a big setup for long range. This thing's just about dead, so let's charge it. Wall plug takes about 7 hours. Solar on a good day, 5 hours. Let me know if you have any of these yourself or if you're planning on getting one in the comments. See you, folks.